and what are we actually, maybe you can give an example of how we also working with the decarbonization at our own facilities.
Yeah, of course, Danfoss as a company which is really aware that decarbonization, and we have also committed to science-based targets, so that the decarbonization is really important, has decided to stick to the idea that we first need to prove ourselves that we are capable to decarbonize, and then also demonstrate for our customers and with our customers together how we want to do this. Is of course demonstrating that on by the fact that by 2030 all our plants needs to be or will be carbon neutral, and we already have a couple of plants, one plant here in Denmark, or even a campus which is already carbon neutral since last year, and there we also have some more which will follow soon. However, all the couple of hundred plants that we have in Danfoss will be carbon neutral by 2030, and there is a clear plan how we want to do this. There are three ways or three steps. We first like to reduce the energy that we use in our plants. Then we want to reduce the energy. So in principle, reuse the excess heat or excess energy that we have in our plants. And then we like to decarbonize. So this is our clear goal. And yeah, so that is the way how we are, of course, making as a very first concrete step in decarbonization by our own plants.